Always a fun question to answer. I'll just answer this really quickly because I know there's a lot of new people that kind of find me randomly. So if the grid goes down, and I said this a while back, but if you go back and you find like the older videos, because there's a lot of old videos that go back like several years actually. We've addressed this a couple of times, but just for new folks, if the grid goes down, right, if you lose all of, let's say, electricity for a very prolonged period of time, so let's say it's indefinitely, right, grid goes down, electricity goes down, and it's for potentially months or maybe even years, everybody on this planet has significantly bigger problems than what happened to their money, or where to bury their gold, or what to do with, like, you have much bigger problems. The number one biggest problem you're going to have very quickly that people don't think about is water. That's seriously, that's the number one biggest problem, given the amount of people there are and how many people rely on electricity to pull water out of the ground, out of the aquifers, and then pipe it to everybody's houses, because it goes up to those big water towers, then gravity. I mean, like, but it takes a lot of energy to do that. So the number one biggest problem that everybody would have is going to be like water, and then food, and then medication. Medication is going to be another big one because it requires a lot of this stuff to even make medications and to store medications. Oh, and the United States doesn't even really make medications anymore because it got all sent over to other countries because they wanted cheaper labor to prop up the 401k, Ponzi scheme in the stock market. So, not to put fine a point on this, but it's like that really is a much bigger problem than just, where did my money go? As far as like phone or computer, this is why you would actually hold your Orange Internet money offline onto a wallet that really has nothing to do with it. Just stays offline. It's sort of like think of it this way: it's a dead end. Your blockchain just dead ends into your wallet. Now, your name's not on that wallet. It's just it really truly is just whoever has possession. It's like bearer bonds. And whoever's the password to it. So if you have the password to it and you have your coin inside your wallet, that's it. It doesn't make any difference how much is there. That's the other thing too. In terms of portability, there is no substitute. I mean, it's definitely portable. So, $1 billion. If you wanted to use dollars as a unit of measurement, even though they're not, but it's if you were to use a dollar, for example, as a quasi unit of measurement, and you said $1 billion worth of gold versus $1 billion worth of Orange Internet money, $1 billion worth of Orange Internet money, is, I mean, it's you can hide it like on your person. You can hide it in your prison pocket if you need to. You cannot do that with gold. I mean, maybe some people could, but most people could not.